In this video, you will learn how to get Agoda discount codes, sign up for the Agoda newsletter, subscribe to Agoda's newsletter to receive exclusive deals and promo codes, often including discounts for first-time bookings or seasonal offers. Download the Agoda app and check daily deals or today's deals. The Agoda app frequently offers pop-up only deals, limited time discounts and special promotional offers available on mobile. Join the Agoda VIP loyalty program. After a few bookings, you may qualify for the Agoda VIP, which unlocks additional discounts and benefits, often up to 10% to 25% off select properties. Look for students or keyword discounts. Verified students and essential workers, like healthcare professionals, may be eligible for exclusive codes or added percentage-based discounts. Follow Agoda on social media. Agoda occasionally shares limited time codes via social media accounts or through online forums. Check coupon sites or deal forums. Many reputable coupon sites regularly post updates on Agoda promo codes that can be applied at checkout to save you money, and always check the expiration and term. Now you know how to get discount codes on Agoda. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.